branches. The recruitment will be conducted through the Air Force Common Admission Test, AFCAT, scheduled for January 31, 2026, Saturday. Defense Academy Coimbatore offers both AFCAT and AFSB coaching for 100 days for a fee of 15,000 rupees only. Call 789249-20076. The course will commence with effect from 1st of December 2025. We ensure your success. Join us to achieve your dream. Do not forget to subscribe, share and like. You are most welcome for a free counseling session with our Director Colonel Jayavel. Please call for appointment. For coaching, join Defense Academy Coimbatore. AFCAT plus AFSB equals 15,000 rupees, 5 days a week, 3 hours, day.